Today I'll share with you how I use my vision kit to improve my vision naturally. It doesn't require you to do a lot of work. It only takes a couple of minutes a day. Step 1, take off your glasses. Step 2, put the eye chart about 6 feet away on a wall. Make sure the room is lit. Step 4, test your visual acuity. Standing about 6 feet away from the wall, check what line you can see clearer without your glasses and without blur. Next step, you can block one eye by wearing the eye patch and then test your acuity again. Then switch to the right eye and do the same thing. Make sure that you take note for your visual acuity for each eye at a time. And for those who wear glasses, it is almost impossible to see 20/20 without your prescription glasses. But actually there is a way to see 20/20 without your prescription glasses. You can use the Pinhole glasses I provided in the kit. Once you put these on, try to look at the 20/20 and most likely you'll find a pair of holes where you can clear the print. I then use the bracket string provided in the tool. So basically you mount the hook by a wall or doorknob and use the other end on your nose and then focus at each bead at a time. This will train both your eyes to converge at different distances. It will help them communicate better. If you like this tool, go ahead to the description. I will leave a link where you can buy it, and please like and share this video.